If I only had a few minutes with you, I wouldn't tell you to dominate the room. I wouldn't tell you to overpower anyone. I would tell you this: the person who controls themselves always wins. External dominance is loud, self command is silent. Anyone can raise their voice, very few can regulate their emotions, and in the long run, control over self beats control over others every single time. People chase power in the wrong places. They try to control conversations, outcomes, people, situations. But the moment you need to control something outside yourself, you have already lost inner authority. Self command is what allows you to stay steady when things don't get your way. It's not suppression, it's direction. Think about this: the person who explodes gives away power, the person who panics loses clarity, the person who reacts emotionally becomes predictable. But the person who can pause, breathe, and choose cannot be manipulated. Their restraint speaks. Self command looks like choosing silence over reaction, discipline over impulse, patience over ego, principles over momentary relief. It's waking up when it's uncomfortable. It's walking away when it's tempting to stay. It's staying calm when chaos invites you to join. That is strength. External dominance seeks obedience. Self command creates respect. Dominance expires. Self mastery compounds. The most powerful people you will ever meet are not the most intimidating, they are the most regulated. Let this anchor in you. You don't need to overpower anyone to win. You don't need to control outcomes to succeed. You need control over your emotion, your reactions, your habits, your standards. Because when you command yourself, nothing outside you can destabilize you. That's real power. Today, choose restraint over reaction, choose discipline over impulse, choose self command over noise. Because the person who control themselves don't just survive, they win. Pause here. Power is not in force. It's not in pressure. It's not in winning argument or controlling rooms. Real power is internal. It's the quiet decision to stay calm when provoked. It's the discipline to hold your standard when no one is watching. It's the ability to walk away without explaining, defending, or proving. The world rewards loudness for a moment, but life rewards self command forever. When you control yourself, your emotions stop sabotaging you. Your energy stops leaking. Your decisions become clean and intentional. You stop living at the mercy of moods, people, and circumstances. And something subtle but profound happens. People feel your presence before you speak. You don't chase respect. You don't demand authority. You don't compete for dominance. Your composure does the work. So, today, practice mastery in the smallest ways. Pause before reacting, breathe before speaking, choose principle over impulse, choose dignity over ego. Because every time you command yourself, you reclaim a piece of your power. And the person who can go on their inner world can never be conquered by the outer one. This is what it means to win quietly, consistently, completely. Thank you for being here.